9 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1. The normal way we do it is very simple. Just is 9. This plus this will give us 3 times this 3, which is 9, divided by this 9, which is equals to what? 1. But this answer is very wrong. Why? Because we omitted the rule called order of operation. So our order of operation, which is board mass, so people call it PEMDAS also. So board mass, this B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, multiplication, A stands for addition, and X means subtraction. So if you are solving with this rule, the rule states that we are to solve this equation from left to right. Now, if we solve this equation from left to right, we are going to solve the bracket first. So because we are dealing with the brackets first. So if we deal with the bracket first, 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Remember, there's an invisible multiplication here. Whenever a number is close to parentheses, it means that you are going to multiply. That is the rule of mathematics. So we put our multiplication here. Then we have two operators left, which is division and multiplication. Now our order of operation says division comes first, so we have to do this division first. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3, and 3 times this 3 is equals to what? 9. So our final answer is 9. This is the final answer.